Hi there, my name's John from Redaka, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to translate an infographic image file from English to French. So here we've got the English version of the image and we're going to translate it into French so that it looks like this. We're going to use the redaka app to translate the image. So first we need to drag in our image into the app. So I'll just drag it in like that, and there you go. You can see it's put black boxes around all the text. Now, on the actual suitcase, there's loads of text, so we don't need to send this for translation. So I'm going to drag my mouse over it and then click deselect for translation. We will translate these headings though. So I'll click confirm. Okay, this brings us to choose the target language. You'll see we've got the option of Google Translate or Human Translation. Human translation is where we've integrated with a translation partner, and they have hundreds of translators on standby who are all fully qualified that they can translate professionally the text in your image. For demonstration purposes and speed, I'm going to use Google in this particular demo. I'm going to translate it into French. So I'll click French from this list and then I hit translate. Click confirm. And there you go, you can see the text has been removed. I don't need to clean anything up. I'm happy with how the text has been removed, so I'll just click next. And then the French text has been pulled into place. Now, I'm just going to tidy it up a touch, so I'm going to centralize everything. Then I'm going to pull this down a little bit, make it a bit bigger, so we'll go with 60. Tidy it up a bit, left align it. And then I'm just going to change the font to something a little bit more, with a bit more personality. So I'll go with Lato. And let's compare with the original. Okay, that's pretty close. I'm just going to make that bold so it stands out a bit more. And I'm happy with that. So I can just click export to download it to my computer. So that's how to translate an infographic file from English to French using the redaka app, powered by Google Translate and AI. Get started with 5 free credits. Visit redaka.co.